welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click the subscribe button. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I got an Amazon package and I'm gonna open it.
That's not good energy.
I don't care. Okay.
What is it?
My fidgets! It shows right here.
Good.
Okay, how to open this? Tape. Oh, it's opening on this side. There's 72 pieces in this set. Look. It says 72 pieces, and those are fidgets. Okay, now I just gotta open it from the side, which is hard. They're a little play. Why do they have to put tape? These are easy. Okay, I got it. I got the first tape on the side. But now I gotta get it on the other side. Oh, that was easy. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what I got. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, okay. This is so huge. No freaking way. No. I got, how do you say it? A fidget cube. Oh my god, it's so huge. I thought there was like gonna be a little bit pieces, but it fits all the way to the top. Look at y'all. That's so weird. Oh, hey, there's fidget spinners. Oh my god. I don't know where to start. It's a Ziploc bag, so that's good. That's good. Okay, let's open it. Oh my god, it's so heavy. Okay, let's open these. Look, it's a Ziploc bag, so that's good. Okay, first fidget. It's gonna come to me. So I'm gonna put it right here and I'm gonna show you some stuff. I'll take it out. This is a fidget. A fidget. And it's a ball. That's cool. If these are a Dollar Tree, you should buy them because they're fidgets. Okay, let's move on. Oh, I got 2 balls. Is that a Rubik's Cube? It's luckily fixed. These are my favorite. Okay, these are satisfying and these are very fun. Dad. Dad, come on, I'm serious. Okay, well, I couldn't make a bracelet because I had to put it on. This 7,
I need to do some work. What did you get?
I got a lot of fidgets.
Are you sure?
Yes.
They're good toys? Or
Yes. Look, it says 72 pieces
Let me
on
see.
the box. I showed them.
Oh. Oh, that's a whole bag of toys.
I know. Okay,
Wow, guys.
look, I got a Rubik's Cube.
Nice.
What is this?
That's a lot of toys in the bag.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Okay, this is weird. This is super weird.
How about y'all guys? Did y'all get any fidgets? Are y'all gonna order any fidgets?
My friend got fidgets.
This is
What
so
the heck?
many.
What the heck? An egg. What the heck? They put an egg.
Wow.
They put an egg.
Okay.
They put an egg. Look. I'm opening it. It's jelly. Slime.
Jelly.
Then it's kind of huge. Oh gosh. How are we gonna put this in here? Oh no. Okay, hold on. Ah, where did I put it? Okay, think I found it.
Alright guys, so guess who's back? Da 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 da.
Da-da.
Bang! Let's check out.
How do I put this
Wow.
in here? Duh.
That's a lot of toys.
Hold on, I'm gonna go wash my hands.
Is that too sticky or what?
I guess. I thought it wasn't.
Alright guys, are y'all getting any fidgets? Are y'all ordering any fidgets for y'all? This is a lot of toys here.
Make sure they like and subscribe.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, I'm back. No! I got it!
What?
My little box. Look, it opens to a triangle and it becomes a triangle and it opens and it goes like that into a box. Satisfying.
That's pretty cool.
You want to touch it? And we got some other fuse, but this one's not my
Pretty
favorite.
cool.
I'm very not touchable for that. Okay, ooh, these are my favorite. It's inside a bag. It's like a satisfying circle. And like there's little beads and you just put them in a circle and then you could just like spin it. Like if you put your 2 hands in the bottom like a fidget spinner and you just spin it. Cause it's huge.
What are they?
It's like when you're very mad, you just get this, right? And you just squish it with all your anger, and it's gonna go to the end and the other end, but then you're gonna like put your hand on it, and then there, you see the marble here, and then I'm gonna put it again here, and ta-da. There are balls that are fidgets. A fidget spinner on your side.
spending a lot of money on these little toys.
$42.
On these little toys.
What the heck? Who put this like this? Okay, okay, I got another one. This is enough for my mom and my dad.
Oh,
Then
okay.
I got 3 of these. Hold up. Okay, so now we're continuing. I finally put it together without making a mess. Okay, so this is the only thing that I'm curious about. Is it monkey noodles? Is it not monkey noodles? Okay. Let's grab it out. Oh my gosh. Look, Dad. They make little balls. Daddy. That's cool. Okay. So we're gonna put that over here, so you can kind of see it. Okay. I don't have the best placement. Just right here. Yeah, just right here. Okay, there. Okay. Ooh, the satisfying ball. Dad, did you used to have these when you were a kid? Or no? Well, guess what? It's a fidget, and I had them before. Look at that. It's a fidget, and it's a good editor. Oh my god, one ball stayed. Okay, so squishing. Another ball stayed. Okay, let's see. A ball stayed, but it left. Daddy, I got a mini skateboard. A wheel came off. Where did it go? I just saw it move over here. I lost a wheel. As you see, I lost a wheel. Okay, let's move on to the other one. I want to see if it comes off. Hey, look, I have another one, so that's fine. I can find my other wheel later. These are so hard to open. There we go. Okay, these wheels didn't come out. Wait. Oh my god, it failed. Okay, I'm just gonna put it right here, facing down. Okay, so this skateboard, it moves, look. Okay, I want to ask my dad a question. Daddy, have you ever done Rubik's Cube when it was messed up and you fixed it?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna do one spin and the other spin. Okay, I messed them up. Okay, they are cheated. Okay, Okay, let's see.
Hay café, Diana.
Okay, there. Okay, now I'm gonna fix it. I fixed it. Ooh, I got another fidget ball. Daddy, I got 2 fidget balls. One that's big and one small. Ooh, guys. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna test them out. Okay, hold on. And this one. Oh my god. So first one we're testing out. Okay, and if you're wondering why there's little holes again, because you just joined, to go like that in the circle. Okay, and this one doesn't have any. You're just gonna go like a regular fidget. Okay, I've been wondering what this. I just left it there, not knowing what it was. So let's open it. Oh, this is rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Look. This is rock, paper, scissors, shoot. It has the tags right here. Again. Paper. Paper. Paper, paper, paper. Oh, I found a scissors. Let's try to find this. Hey, keep on. But it's fine because it's really fun. You just, oh my god. You just press it if you're annoyed. You're like, okay. That's fun. It's like a little egg. Okay. What is this? Oh! Oh, that's cute. Look, okay, this is an egg, but like it's super soft, and then when you squeeze it, there's like a little dinosaur on it. Like if it cracked and it left the dinosaur is coming out with the slob. Grandma, look, ready?
Okay. Wow.
That's so cute. Okay. So I just see this and I'm like, what is this? It's like, what does it say on the name? It says 7 color crystal balls. Okay, and we got more of them, and it says also 7 crystal balls. Ooh, I want to do this one. It's very, very cute. Dad, I got a monkey noodle. Yeah, look, I have green, and I have red, orange, green again, pink, and I also have, I don't know, I think that's it. I don't know. Okay, these are very satisfying, so I'm gonna put these on the satisfying. Like, I'm gonna put them on all order. Okay, oh yeah, and I also got another ball, but then I also got another one. This is a baseball, and this is football. I don't know if I got them correctly because I don't really do sports. Oh, these are my favorite. Aww. Daddy. Dad. I want you to test this one out with me. Okay, these are really cute. Okay, let me get it out of the bag. Okay, so these are really cute. It's like if it's a piece, right? You could keychain it to your backpack or to your phone if you have like something to hold it with. Okay, and then there's no zipper. You just squeeze the little poles, right? And then, hold on. Ah, I just, Daddy, I need your help. Can you squeeze this out? There's no zipper. There's like little peas inside, but they have to get squished out. See the heads? Okay. No. Yeah. Okay. So here's the little head. It's really cute. Mama, look it. Okay, my dad helped me open it, so I got to show you all of them. So the middle one I showed you, this is a baby one, and this one is over mommy. I can't get her out because he didn't squish it. But there you go. Mom. Wait, it doesn't have a face. That's weird. Yeah, it doesn't even have a face. They messed it up, I guess. Okay. What is this? What is it? What is it? Okay, hold on. I need to think how to open it. Found it. Oh. Okay. I think we have another one that squishes out with Orbeez, I guess. Okay, moving on, but we're making a list. So these ones are all together. These are all together because they're saying this is all alone. These are all together. This is all together because look, I have two. Oh man, my Rubik's Cube kind of broke. Look, you can see it churned. Okay, and then the balls over here. Wait, what? I didn't know that. I got 3 balls. That 2 look the same and 1 look different. Put those different.
Lila, this thing is really, really bad. It already got stuck to me.
You throw it.
Yeah.
This guy is gonna be thrown. Super sticky.
That one's a problem.
The rest, I'm gonna keep them in the bag because they look colorful.
Look really good.
Oh yeah, and I forgot to show you a regular fidget spinner. It's on my thumb. Okay, what are these? They're toys, I know. Oh, now I get it. Okay. Let me just open one of them. So, have you ever had like those little hands that are very sticky and they stick to walls with a little thing, right? Okay. Well, this is going to be the same, but without stickiness. You just go like this, like a bowl. Let me see. Let me do a test. Okay, let's do that wall first. Nope. This wall next. Oh wait. Nope, it's not sticky. Okay, good thing I got 2 of them. Wait, what? No way. That was very... unexpected. Okay. It fell again. Okay, these are little mushrooms. I used to have them, but then they messed up because they got all dirty, like this color. But I think it will look cute with that color. But I just don't want to mess it up. So I think what best is for you to do with this is just put it on a little counter because it can mess up and turn dirty because you're all squishing it. Yeah, mine broke. It was like a shark and like a cat, I think. Yeah, a shark and a cat. And the bottom of the cat broke here, and then the shark broke here. Aww. So this is what I got. I got a dinosaur, a pig, and I got a few left. They're very hard to open. That's why I'm using my mouth.
Careful with your teeth.
I know.
You need to open with scissors. Ahora tu que se chingue un diente y Diego, ¿eh? No, Delilah. Over there with the scissors.
Teddy bear.
Those are some telescopes.
I don't know what it is. Oh, it's a toy. You gotta like get the balls inside because there's balls. This one's cute. It fell. No, please don't get dirty. Please don't get dirty. Please don't get dirty. Please don't get. It didn't get dirty. Look, it's in a little octopus. Okay, I put that right there.
Ahí está el contacto.
59.
Okay. So this is from Peter Piper. Not usable. There. Okay. So
Get the scissors so you could be cutting the little package.
got scissors. Kids don't use big scissors. Only if you're 8 or big enough. Yeah, there was 3 of those. I showed you guys. Okay. So I got 2 of these. I made the other one to a bracelet, and I need to make that one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open it. Okay, my friend. Okay, I usually know about fidgets because my friend Matthew, if he's watching this, I got fidgets too.
Ooh.
So, I pretty play with Matthew's fidgets because I wanted to play with them. But now I don't because I'm getting fidgets and I got new ones. But I wonder how you open this a little bit. I guess you just leave it like a rectangle. Oh!
What is that?
I don't know.
Key, it's a key. No, I don't know.
Okay, hold on. What is it?
I don't know.
Taekwondo. We just messed up the head. Okay. We gotta open it to a line. I don't know. I just made this a square, but I'm confused. I like that one a little. I like this one a little bit more better because you could just make it easily, like a square. Let's make it into a square. Okay, it doesn't look like a square right now. Okay, there you go. Okay. So, I wonder what this is. Oh, now I get it. Okay. I just gotta open it. I'm looking weird. Okay. Pop out. Okay, good. This is paper and this is rock. I mean, scissors. All we need is paper and rock. But we could get them next time if they're cheap. Okay, so I got a yellow one of this, so I just want the blue one already. I got it out. Okay, there. Got out. Okay, this is already finished, so then we put it the other side. That smells weird. Okay, I got a fish. Hold up. Dad. Get over here. Get over here. You have to explain this.
What?
A fish. A fish.
A fish. A fish in the air. This one doesn't swim, it flies in the air.
That was funny. Okay. Ooh, what is this? I wonder what it is. Is it another fish that flies in the air? It's an octopus. Look, it's an octopus. Or yeah, it's an octopus.
Octopus?
Yeah, look.
Nice. Okay, show the guys.
Okay, I got an octopus. Okay. Ooh, chicken time, chicken time. Okay, let's open it from the side and we open it with our bare fingers. I got a chicken. Oh, it squishes out pain. An egg. Okay, it has a baby. Let's leave her alone. Okay, these are my fave. Ooh, they're in a little Ziploc bag. Look, a Ziploc bag. A Ziploc bag. Okay, so these are size 1. Right. Because they're little wires. Dad! I'm gonna prank my dad. I got wires. I got wires, Dad. I got 2 of these.
What happened?
I got wires.
Huh?
Got wires.
What do you mean you got wires?
I got wires.
What is that?
Pranked you.
Hey, get wired and get Okay.
The guys know about it. I told them.
Okay, the video's getting too long, so
I'm gonna have to see you later. Bye, guys.
yeah, show them all their fidgets, right?
Yeah, but
Everything you got?
except one.
Oh, what did you like or what?
I liked one. Okay.
Cause these are a bunch of little toys.
Okay. How many fidgets can I show you that are my fave?
I don't know. There were a bunch of toys. I
Okay,
tell you
so
that.
okay, these are my fave.
These you're gonna put in the water.
Yeah, cause they're Orbeez.
Arby's.
Okay, so these are my favorite out of all of them.
Okay.
But this is also my favorite.
Man, you could have gotten all this stuff at Peter Piper with tickets.
Too bad, too sad, because I already got 2 of
I
these.
spent so much money on these things.
Yeah, he spent like $42. Hey, I forgot to open one.
And these are all gonna be given away to the.
No! No!
They're gonna be donated.
No, 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 no.
What are you gonna do with all these toys?
I'm gonna play with them.
Yeah, right.
Like, look at this chicken. He knows that I'm gonna play with them.
What does that chicken do?
Stretch.
Oh.
He stretches his head from the body. Look at his legs. He's like, ah.
Does he walk or does he fly or does he swim or what?
He walks
Okay.
with his bare feet.
Because the octopus swims in the water. He swims like this, guys. And the chicken, he jumps.
And walks.
He jumps with this. Wait, where are his wings? Oh, there he is.
This is his mama. She's pregnant, look.
Oh my God.
She's pregnant.
This guy jumps.
She's pregnant.
Pew, 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 pew.
Sunny.
And there's Mama. Oh.
Holy cow, they just landed. Intro.
Okay, guys. All I want to say is we had a pretty good time.
Yeah.
We got all these fidgets.
Comment down below what
Are you gonna be getting fidgets or not?
Yeah.
Or what's going on, guys?
But here's a question.
Did you like the fidgets?
Here's a question. Which is your favorite fidgets? Comment down below. And then
Alright guys, so that was it for our video today. We'll see you next time. If y'all want some fidgets, make sure to order them online. With that being said, all I want to say is...
Hey, and also make sure they last money.
Peace, happiness, and love.
Oh wait,
Whoop.
red with love.
Red with love right there. Alright guys, y'all have a good day.
Get some fidgets.
And have some fun.
And make sure they come earlier than Wednesday because I've been waiting all day. Okay, well, bye guys.
Bye. We'll see you in the next video.
Peace.